studied, medical, as a medical doctor in sa Pilipinas po. Although before coming to America, yun na nga na yung venture po natin is hindi lang sa yung interest po natin is hindi lang sa regular na pamamaraan ng paggagamot. Yung homeopathy po is it's founded in Germany at 1800 by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Ang pagkakaiba po is like for example dito sa pag-practice po natin ng conventional medicine, ang prinsipyo po is if you give 500 milligrams of paracetamol, mas mataas po yun sa panggamot natin sa lagnat kaysa 250 milligrams. Yung homeopathy po is different. The opposite actually yung principle niya. Meaning, the lesser the dilution po, is higher yung potency niya. So it has been proven po since 1800 that giving this minute doses na nilagay nila in a very small pellets or you may call it like miniature tablets mixed with sugar and something like that. More of kumbaga sasabihin natin more of energetically yung information niya naka-stack doon sa yung nasa gamot. So it's not basically on the physical aspect or chemical aspect ng gamot unlike the conventional medicine, but it's actually more of information. Yun ang very interesting kasi ngayon, especially here in America, we are actually adapting more not just on the regular concept of medicine, but on the whole aspect of integrative medicine. We will look at the connection between the spirit, the mind, and the body. Kasi before we will just focus more of sa katawan Bakit nagkakaroon po tayo ng hypertension is because we have a kidney problem, heart problem. Ngayon, there are so many studies connecting about emotional stress, hindi lang acute, emotional stress connection to hypertension. So, all these things is interconnected or interrelated. So, yun ang nakakaiba, ang difference.
It is long procedure in such a way at the end of the line, without your knowing it, cured ka na.
Yes po.
Yan, kasi hindi ka mukha nung parang yung lagnat lang ang inalis mo. Pero after the duration of the medicine, it comes again.
Right po.
Doctor, so